Hello everyone, I am Xiaoyu. Today I will bring you a first launch expense, that is, the new 10 in my hand can be seen first. This iQOO Neo 10 adopts a unique color scheme of Jing black. Coupled with the design of the back cover of its armor, looks 10 points dazzling, and what about? The thickness of its phone is only. The weight of 7.99mm is also controlled at 199G. Even if you hold it in your hand for a long time, you won't feel very tired. In terms of performance, iPhone Neo is equipped with the 4 flagship experience of Tianji 9000 with self-developed esports films. QR performance is strong, and the efficiency is extremely high, which means that when you usually play games, you can enjoy it. A very silky and smooth surface scrolling mode, and it is also equipped with a fast callback mode of 1.2 million, which makes you bid farewell to a power anxiety at ordinary times. It also uses a newly developed F1 and a number of eye protection technologies such as 2592 Hz full brightness, high frequency PWM dimming. Long-term use of mobile phones will also protect your eyes and relieve your eye fatigue. The most important thing is that girls like to take pictures, but what about taking pictures? He picked up. It features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX92 main shot and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. With a nice algorithm from the flagship, it can take pictures clearly by 10 points whether it is during the day or at night. The mobile phone also supports multiple shooting modes. Language macro makes you more bold in creating. In the end, it is also in terms of details, and it is also very well designed. For example, it uses a super flagship ultrasonic wave and a 3D fingerprint unlocking mode. At the same time, the mobile phone also supports various functions such as NFC infrared remote control in all scenarios. Now I'm really looking forward to it. How much does it cost? Viewers in front of the screen, please guess how much it is worth. Okay, that's all the unboxing video of this issue. See you next time.